Position the drip tray on the front of the Cuisinart soft serve maker. Insert the ingredient funnel assembly onto the top of the machine. Insert the auger with the X-shaped ring facing inside the machine. Position the dispenser assembly on the vessel with the handle facing up. Turn the assembly clockwise until it locks in place. Press the dispensing cover onto the dispensing assembly. If you're making soft serve ice cream, use the star-shaped tip. Get your ingredients together to make your dessert base. Try a classic like vanilla soft serve. Press the power button to start the machine, and then pour the ice cream base into the machine through the ingredient funnel. Don't fill beyond the max fill line. Press the ice cream cone icon to start the ice cream cycle. The machine also has settings for sorbet, slushy, frappé, wine, and cocktail. You can customize the texture for slushies, frappés, and cocktails using the firmness selection bar. Press the Start-Stop button to begin churning your ice cream and watch the magic happen. When the cycle is done, the machine enters Keep Cool mode. Ice cream and frappés stay cool for up to 2 hours. Sorbets, slushies, wines, and cocktails stay cool for up to 16 hours. Put your cone under the dispenser. Pull down on the handle to start filling the cone with your delicious homemade soft serve. To clean, fill with water and run on a cleaning cycle. Then wipe the unit with a damp sponge. While some parts are dishwasher safe, all are best washed in warm, soapy water.